Hey guys, Phoenix here. Thank you for checking out my channel. So the new year had just begun and we can see some green candles in Bitcoin. So isn't that a bullish sign? And at the same time the stock is also moving much more higher, but the rising tension in the Middle East can further drop down the price in the stock. Nevertheless, the Bitcoin and the gold both can be a good investment right now. So we will just focus upon today on Bitcoin, and we'll also check out the few altcoins like Neo. This is Ethereum. We're gonna check out the Neo, XRP, and yeah, the most requested coin, the Tezo. So without wasting time, let's just check out the move of the Bitcoin in the present few days. I mean, this is the first week of actually we just completed our first week with really pretty good green candles. So in the previous video we just discussed about some sort of this kind of movement which gonna happen, and we can say pretty much clear move upside. So now we are at the critical point whether we're gonna break upside and whether we're gonna break upside and continue to move upside, or is there any potential downside coming in. So presently if you look this purple line which is moving just below this region is acting as a strong resistance. So more possibly we're gonna have some sort of resistance at 200 level, but it's more possible that if the bull tries to push upside, we're gonna break 8200 flawlessly. So if you look at indicator like MACD, it's pretty much bullish on the daily, and even if you check on 3-day chart, everything seems so bullish. So thumbs up for the bulls for making a 2000, or they're gonna make a 2020 much more green, green like a candle and green with money. So Bitcoin is actually much more bullish right now, and if you look at the 3-day chart, it's moving above, it actually move above the 200 moving average. And if we check out the weekly is also pretty much good right now. The MACD is taking upside, so more likely we're gonna break upside. And as I said, just before May 2020, or you can say the mid of 2020, Bitcoin will be at 12k. So I hope you don't sell it right now just for small profit, just a hold up for the long run. So second thing, we'll check out the Ethereum. In the previous video I said about the bearish flag pattern which get invalidated by the break upside. So I said earlier, so Ethereum is just like a silver in this commodity market. So it just follow the Bitcoin, and it just broke upside. So nothing much about the Ethereum because the moves are very much clumsy. It's not very much clear. It's so much confusing, and even to count Elliott wave I find it very much difficult. So I'm very much relying on the Bitcoin move, and I'm pretty much sure this bull flag will we're gonna break upside. So surely it's a 70% of chance we're gonna break upside, and like 30% of chance we're gonna retest some 500-600 range. So my bias for the Bitcoin is bullish. Same goes with Ethereum, but Ethereum is not making such significant move as the Bitcoin is making. So it's okay. Like you're gonna check like for the few days, for the few weeks, but overall it's below 200 moving average on 3-day chart, or even on daily. So my concern is still like it's a possible consolidation. So nothing much about Ethereum. Now we're gonna check out the Neo. So many were asking about Neo and what can be the price action. So looking at the Neo, nothing is impressive, guys. Like even if you look at the lower time frame, like 12 hours, I don't find anything like super bullish right now. Even though this one is lower low for now, this is lower high, this is also lower high. So if Neo maintain this level, that's right, like $8.5, potentially we're gonna move upside. So Neo is actually consolidating. It's much more sideways right now, and the 200 moving average is acting as a great resistance. But if it's just cross over this 200 moving average, it would be much more bullish sign. And that's all. Like Neo, I don't find it any impressive because earlier it just pumped and followed by the similar dump. So altcoins are not that good looking right now, except the top 3 or top 4. So we'll check out like XRP. So in the previous video we just okay, it's loading. Okay, so in the previous video we just check out about the ascending triangle pattern, which was busy formed by the XRP, and now it's break upside. So this is one of the reversal point for the XRP, and why it's loading, so sorry for this. Okay, so this is a reversal point for the XRP, and we're gonna continue more upside and target some few resistance level like 0.25, okay, 0.23 and 0.25. So more likely gonna move upside. Looking at the XRP, it has a clear break upside, and I am much more bullish right now for the short term on XRP, not on the long term, because it still need to move upside, and the daily close should be above 0.24. So XRP is looking bullish only at the lower time frame, and much more like there is potential reversal from this point. So we need to wait, we need to check out before hopping in the trade. Let's just check out Tezo. So okay, okay, so if we check out the Tezo is pretty much bullish for the short run. So if you are a great scalper and you want to earn few bucks, I think so we should go long. I mean, we should just add some few position. 20 to 30% of the gain is much more assured. Like I expect $1.5 before any further move downside. So let me just explain what I'm saying. Okay, so if you look at the Tezo, this is some sort of, what the XRP was making earlier. So it's possibly we're gonna move little upside, a small pullback, and we're gonna go upside. So I mean, you can take this opportunity, maybe a minor pull upside, 20 to 30%, and just make some good profit. So I'm bullish for it. Like we can gain some few percentage, like 20%. So yeah, Tezo is bullish. Even if you look MACD is not going bullish on 3-day, but let's check out. Yeah, if you look at 12-hour chart, wow, it's actually bouncing right from the 200 moving average, and at the same time the MACD is ticking upside. So more likely you're gonna break upside. At the same time, if you look, it just break out from the channel. So yeah, my target is right around like 1.5. Right around this range. So maybe some retracement upside. So I think so it will be better for the long position. Okay. your stop loss right below like one pointer. So this was for Tezo, and if you want any other coins which you like to discuss in the next video, please comment down in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit a like if you like the content, and if you want any further changes, please comment down below. That's all for today, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.